Okay, so the aim of this is I'm going to show you a picture. You get to look at it for 10 seconds and then you have to successfully do the yoga pose. And you have to hold the yoga pose for at least 5 seconds. Okay?
Okay. Can't be too difficult, right?
I guess not.
Isn't yoga all just like...
I thought it was yogurt we were here for. Damn it.
Okay. Number 1.
What the fuck?
Okay,
What?
I'm gonna be the bottom one.
Okay. I need your butt facing towards me.
When is it not?
And then like that.
Can you delete that part out for me?
And then I need to what? Cross my legs. And then just lie back on you. Well, that's easy.
You need to come further back,
Your
I think.
arms need to be over his head.
Oh. Oh, what? Oh yeah, my butt needs to be in the air.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Arms need to be further back, class.
This is coming.
Well, I can't with this one because there's a cabinet in the way.
You got it! Number 2. It's a bit small.
I don't like these pockets.
Oh, oh,
pulling the fatty out of the hole.
Okay, pulling the fatty out of the... Oh, I resent that.
I was talking about me. Wait, am I doing it right? What do I need to be doing? Oh.
You just need to lean back and pull me up.
This is hard. Well,
You got it!
yay!
What? I don't even know if my body bends like that.
Yeah, I don't think my
What would you call this?
Like the Indian temple or something?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Or the Cobb & Co doors. I don't know if I have that much booty. Alright.
Booty fly. More booty, guys.
I don't know if my booty goes
it
more.
hurts and I can't bend my legs.
No,
My hamstrings
Our,
Just look at you.
our faces are too far away. We're doing it, lad.
Everything hurts.
I
Okay.
was definitely not doing it. I think, Laz, you need to be around.
What? Oh man, this is really gonna hurt my feet. My feet don't bend like that.
I'm scared.
No, just do it. You'll be
You
right.
have to be backwards.
I didn't hear a safe word. I'm scared.
Oh my god.
That's right.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be actually.
That wasn't bad.
My legs are not gonna do that.
Okay.
This is the upside down McDonald's.
Oh yeah, alright, upside down McDonald's.
What?
My legs are not gonna bend like that. I don't have hamstrings. If you don't have toe jam. Toe jam?
Oh, we're doing it, Lars.
We're doing it. Our legs need to be straight, but hamstrings.
Oh, you guys look
Is that good?
You did
Oh,
it. Well done.
man. Oh, that doesn't look hard.
Okay, I think I should be the one on the bottom.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Because otherwise I'll be too high off the ground with your legs.
I
Well, that
feel
doesn't
like
look
this is
hard at
not gonna
all.
end well.
No, that'll be fine. I can't get, how do you get far enough forward?
We're doing it, Lars!
No, not at all.
Doing it!
I think we should give it another go. I don't know how to get far enough forward to...
Bend your knees more, Jamie. And then straight in the
Okay, and go. Hang on.
That was so close to being a disaster.
That was.
What's this one called?
The failed one we just did?
Yeah, it looked like the guys just collapsed. It looked exactly, that's what we had just done. No, I'll go on the bottom this time. This is actually what we've just done.
So it should be no
The
problem.
failed Superman. So,
The Lex Luthor.
hang on, what?
You have to lean down.
Why did this happen? Like, did
How is
Earth,
this an exercise?
Planet Earth didn't need this. Like, this doesn't benefit.
Oh yeah, my legs are gonna be so much longer than your body. Anyway. Okay.
Just keep in mind you're like dangerously close to my... Oh my gosh, we're doing it! We're doing it, those guys! We're doing it!
At the circus!
We're doing it!
Oh!
No, you're doing the previous one.
What?
Oh, you
That's what
scenario?
you're meant to be touching. I
I
hope our
forget.
neighbours walk past. There we go.
Why is this so easy?
It's incredibly easy.
Okay, put me down now, please.
What is happening? There's too many legs
This
for
is an
2 people.
Optical illusion?
When someone
Oh, that's the downward facing dog? Okay.
So you do that and I just lean upside down on your back.
Oh, my.
Thanks, I need help. Okay.
Oh god, he's so
I think that might.
We're doing yoga! I feel fit already.
Okay, we got it. We got it.
That counts,
We got
right?
it. We had it. We totally had it.
That's meant to like calm people down.
Oh.
What's the point in yoga? It sounds like this is like worse than.
Jamie, you need to be the one on the top.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
Oh my
What?
gosh. Your bum's too squishy. How? It's...
Yeah.
Yeah. Help! Not help!
I think that's it.
This counts, right?